Hello, this is a Android Endo trainer kit which can be completely foldable, easy to carry, easy to use without any electrical devices. फोन कर दो just second हाँ कर दे कर दे लॉक कर दे so Android you have to keep the Android phone on the where the visual will come. You can uh, use with the light. You have to use it with the visual. We can adjust the image of the object by moving this up and down. Up and down, you can move it and adjust your this vision. Tighten it, and you can see this. Yeah, we have three ports. Yeah, this is the vision. We can adjust it accordingly to our need. You don't do all this. लगा दो लगा ठीक है ठीक है